Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about the new DASHLY unit from Sensationnel. This is DASHLY 13 and I do have her in the rose gold, which is a light powder baby pink, and it's 1B at the roots. Now I did find that this unit was very shiny on the 1B area at the roots. It was almost given like a 1 type of color, which I think is way too light. Way too dark of a contrast against this baby pink. I think I would have liked this unit a lot better if the roots were maybe a color 4. But I did go ahead and spray it with some lace tint spray. That was the Ebin lace tint spray in medium brown. And I went ahead and laid the wig down on my head. I love how flat the unit is just right off the bat, but that shininess, y'all, was hitting like synthetic wigs circa 1999. Like, sis, what? Now the pink area was definitely a beautiful color, but the only thing I was worried about was the cut. It seemed like the layers in the front didn't flow down to the layers at the back, and it seemed like the layer in the back was just way too long and didn't match the stock card. I don't know, it's giving me like way too long. Like when I look back at the stock card, it did not seem like this unit was this long. And usually long is not a problem for me, but when the layers aren't cut to where they flow together, the wig just needs to be shorter, like, or make the layers less choppy. But what I do love about this wig is that it's a crimped unit, but when you finger comb it, the crimps come apart and they flow into their own crimps. I don't like when the crimp units that have been coming out are so perfect that even when you finger comb it, brush it, comb it, they just flow right back down into each other, and they don't like have a life of their own, and the wig just looks so limp and lifeless. This crimp unit is not like that. Like when you finger comb it, it has its own life. Like the waves and the crimps, have their own, shape. I like that about this unit. And so of all the crimp units that I've tried so far, I really like the way that these crimps flow. So I went ahead and used my Ebin Edge Control, or maybe this was Style Factor, I'm not sure. It's either the Ebin 24 Hour or the Style Factor. So I used those and a little baby hair brush and just trimmed the baby hairs that already came with the unit. I like the baby hairs that came with this unit. They were just too long, so I trimmed them down. But I just thought the baby hairs that came on this unit were actually really good. So once I laid my lace down and I laid down my baby hairs, I went ahead and added some foundation. This is a step that you guys should really consider, like, incorporating into your wig life. I think it really super helps. So I used my darker foundation. I used 2 different colors of foundation. I used a lighter one and a darker one on my face. But for my wigs, I tend to pick up the darker one because I just feel like it blends better in my wigs. So I picked up the darker shade and I used it all around the perimeter of my baby hairs and in my parting space. And this is pretty much the end result, you guys. This was my first time ever trying a DASHLY unit from Sensationnel ever. And I know the DASHLYs have been around for like 2 years, y'all. I'm hella late. But this was my first DASHLY that I've tried, and for the price point, I think it's good. Only thing downside is the layers didn't flow together to my liking. The wig was a lot longer than it looked on the stock card, and at the top it was a 1, and I think it probably should have been a little lighter than that, and it was a little shiny. But so I guess that was a lot of downsides. I guess that was a lot of cons, you guys. Pros, I like the color. The baby pink is really cute. I did my makeup in pink to match it. I thought it was really cute, and I think this wig is one that I would definitely wear out. Even though it's a bright color, I think she's super cute and playful, and it matches my vibe. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.